Hey Roses, it's Olena Roseanne here. If you want to see how I use these particular items here to make an affordable ring light, stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, I got a box of goodies here. Um, and I have first off here this wreath, a wire wreath. Then we have zip ties, aluminum foil, and we have rope lighting, and this particular one is 18 feet long. So we take that foil, and it was just Dollar Tree foil, wrapped it around this wire wreath I actually got from the Dollar Tree as well. And just wrap it around real good, no cardboard at all. Next, we go to the rope lighting. Now, I was going to get strip lighting, but I ended up going with rope lighting, and looks like it includes things to apply it against the wall if you were going to do that, but I'm not. So anyway, I was taking a look at the connections here, trying to figure out how to connect one end to the other to keep the electricity going through it. And as I can see, there's prongs in there that fit into two little holes. Go ahead and got that connected, and there is just a little I guess top piece, or just to secure it together so it doesn't come apart, which is important because I need to wrap this around this wire wreath that I have covered in foil. Now the foil is all over here, all over the wreath to help the light reflect off of it. And now I'm wrapping and wrapping and wrapping this wire rope. Um, Excuse me, I'm wrapping this rope lighting. And it was a little bit difficult because as I'm winding around, I have to unwind what's already wound up and make sure it fits nicely. Then I take the zip ties and just secure it with the tie part of it in the back or on the sides. And I didn't really do it in any particular format, as you can. I was just winging it. As long as it was secure, that's really all that mattered to me. So now to try it. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. You see how nice that looks, you guys? Yes. And there's the back. I think this is going to work real nicely. Now all I need to do is apply it to a tripod and I'm set. But there you go, you guys. Easy. For links to the supplies that I use available at Amazon, they will be in the description box. Anyway, you guys, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.